Hey guys, what's going on? This is Nasa, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. I'm gonna give you the update on the boo-boo house, right? So today we had to get down and dirty. I had to meet some contractors, and the guys are in there painting now. So I'm in the Camry today, so it's work day. It's not be flossy and fancy day. We gotta go to work, so let's go. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. So appliances got delivered yesterday. I'm gonna do punch out Monday and Tuesday. When I say punch out, it's the little things that we missed that you just do at the end because it's not that serious. So I'm gonna do punch out on Monday, hopefully be done Tuesday, cleaning lady Wednesday, and boom, pictures and property should be listed by towards the end of next week. So yeah, things are moving along. I'm cutting it close, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is the appliances delivered from Lowe's. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, RealEstate, because you get more details of my flips. Man, this house started off as the boo-boo house, which is human defecation, and it was in the tubs, it was in the sinks, it was in buckets all around the house. They used the bathroom in buckets, and they had no water, no electricity. So that was the introduction of this project. So yeah, man, then we found out we had a mice issue. Mice in here, so I had to call in an exterminator to get the mice out. I put some stuff down, but I didn't think that was enough, so I called in a professional. He put some stuff down, and I started to see more dead mice. So I haven't seen no mice in a few days, so I think we got them all out. Yeah, man, so that's basically it. So let's check out the inside of the house. All right, laundry room. We painted the laundry room. So what we're gonna do now is come on the punch out list. I'm gonna redo this I was gonna leave it here, but I'm like, man, I might as well watch it. I might as well change it with the rest of the luxury vinyl plank. And as you guys know, the flips and the rentals, I like to use the luxury vinyl plank because it's waterproof. So the washing and drying is gonna be here. So if they spill water on it, it's not gonna bubble up, you know. And most of those floors, they give like a 20-year guarantee. So I'm gonna put that in here. So yeah, have that looking right. So the guys are gonna finish out painting today. Yeah, we went with a repost gray in the house and white ceilings. I kind of like to use that in all my flips. You know, well, this is my first time using repost gray. Let me take that back. I've been using agreeable gray for the last few years because it works. Simply like that, it works. You know, it sells good, but this repost gray looks good. So I wanted to go with a little darker gray because of the granite countertops I have. Yeah, those are sexy, so just wanted to go with that. You can't really see them, but when it's done, you know. House looks a lot better when it's not a million things in these bedrooms. So yeah, like it looks like a house now, right? So it looks like a house, and yeah, man, we came a long way. In here, so you know, carpet and paint can take you a long way. So this is the master, and all my light fixtures I got from Amazon. That's a trick. Amazon has different style of things that the major hardware stores don't carry, so it'll look real sexy. So this is all the lights and stuff from Amazon. Boom, light right there. So there you have it, man. We coming along, man. So, you know, hoping to list by next week. So yeah, not really gonna do no landscaping. Just we gonna cut the grass, and you know, we don't have to stage. It's a hot market. It's low inventory. So the realtors right now, she's talking about listing at 209. So I don't have all my final numbers, and should have those in last week as far as what I spent in the flip. So, you know I'm. I think I'm gonna be around 25,000. There was some surprises. I had to put a new HVAC unit on that joint. So so I did get some surprises. You know, I wasn't expecting, you know, to spend $4,000 on a new HVAC unit throughout the house, but when I call the HVAC guy, he's like, yo man, this has to your best option. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So look, that's it, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Please, you're watching this, subscribe to my channel. Go do that now. Put on the hit the notification button, all right? Hit the notification button and, you know, just stay abreast of updates, tips and tricks for not only your financial life, for your real estate life. And I wish you much success in your life and your business.